Next, you're ready to write the body paragraphs for the essay. Each body paragraph should be 4 to 5 sentences total. In the first body paragraph, you're going to begin with, first, scientists believe Otzi was murdered because, and then just give one reason. For example, you might want to start by talking about the cut that Otzi has on his hand in between his thumb and forefinger. After you've started out with that first topic sentence, you will give a piece of textual evidence from the text that proves that idea. You should go back up to your gathering evidence section and choose one of the quotes that you found already. Then you'll finish up by explaining what this suggests, how this quotation and this topic sentence are connected. How does that quotation demonstrate that Otzi was likely murdered? You will repeat this process for body paragraph 2 and 3, focusing on one topic at a time, using the sentence starters that are provided for you.